In front of me is OPPO Find X2 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. All you need to do is find Recorder app, click on this option over here, in my case Meeting, and click on one of those to apply a perfect one, Standard, Meeting or Interview. To start recording, use red button. Use the same one to pause it or unpause it. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark, on the right one. If you want to end and save your recording, use the check mark at the top right corner. To delete it right away, click on X icon instead. Now name it and hit save. Finally, to play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options, and to access more, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!